There have been five notable privacy events around AI that I think are worth highlighting that demonstrate the importance of privacy in the AI era. The first one is that in May, OpenAI was forced to retain deleted or temporary or private chat messages. They were forced to retain that by a New York court order. That is a standard legal process, being asked to retain data. But I think what was surprising about that is that OpenAI was capable of retaining those private messages. You'd assume if they're private, they shouldn't be able to retain them, but they indeed were able to retain them. And I think that was shocking to a lot of people. And in fact, being forced to do this really upset OpenAI as well. You can find some tweets from Sam Altman saying essentially like there should be a standard, like a legal standard for not being able to like share private chat messages. Then over the course of in the summer, it became clear that there were three major breaches by OpenAI, by Grok, and by Meta. In each case where chat messages the users thought were private actually became public and were indexed by Google. And that meant that they were just available on the internet for anyone to search in perpetuity. And the most recent things, Anthropic changed their terms of service from your chats not being used in training by default to your chats being used in training by default. So what that means is going forward, if you didn't opt out, your chats are now being used to make Anthropic's AI better. I think that's a pretty major thing. On the enterprise side, 98% of organizations have a third-party vendor that suffered a data breach. And what that means is like if you have a third-party vendor that uses AI, probably at some point, some data that your enterprise gave to that vendor is going to be in a breach. And we've had data breaches forever. We see them in the news all the time. And the reason why it's different in AI is because of the sensitivity and the kind of data that you can give to an AI, and that the value that an AI can give you if you are able to share that data.